How many of you like to cook? Raise your hand. What do you like to cook? Let's start with, Fabian. Pasta? Yeah. Okay. And how about you, Shir?
I like to try to make lasagna, but it's too difficult.
Ooh, lasagna. Make me hungry. That's like Thanksgiving approaching. How about you, Ying?
Spicy food.
Ooh, spicy food. What kind of spicy food? Chinese food? What kind of spicy Chinese food?
But there are a lot.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay, there's a lot of them, right? I like hot pot. Hot pot is very good. Tasty and spicy. But I like spice. Okay. Let me use a different marker. Actually, where's the eraser? Oh well. Let's do this. Okay. Didn't do the best job as an eraser, but that's okay. Cooking, right? What do you do to cook? Whether it be pasta, lasagna, making some spicy food. What do you do? What's the first step?
Get the ingredients.
Okay. Get the ingredients. What else? Let's say we're making a grilled cheese sandwich. How many of you have had a grilled cheese sandwich before? Yeah? Grilled cheese sandwich. For those of you who haven't heard, it's pretty common. Let me see, grilled cheese sandwich. Okay. And this looks like the perfect one, right? Because the cheese has to be connected. Actually, that might be a little undercooked. Okay. All right, a grilled cheese sandwich. How do you make a grilled cheese sandwich? Okay. So the ingredients might be bread, cheese. What else? Maybe butter. Okay. And then, of course, if you didn't have a pan might be nice. Go onto an oven.
Salt?
Salt?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Salt. Make it flavorful, right? Okay, and so we're ready. We have all the ingredients. What do we do when we get to the kitchen?
Start to make it by levels, like instruction in order.
Okay, so first, maybe we take the bread out. And there's 2 slices. And we were just talking about slices, but this is more for something else, right? So we take the bread out, and let's say we have a pan. We heat the pan, and what do we have to do so that the pan doesn't burn?
Oil.
Okay, yeah. Maybe some oil or butter. And so have to kind of, do we just put the bread in right away, right as soon as we put the butter in?
No.
No. We have to wait until, what?
Till the pan be warm enough.
Okay. Until the pan is warm enough. Then once the pan is warm enough,
Then we can.
maybe we put slices on pan. And then we might do what? As soon as we put the slices on the pan, this oil isn't hot enough.
Then we start putting the bread in the pan and
Yeah.
heat it up.
Yeah. So what's what's the biggest thing with grilled cheese we have to do next?
Obviously put the cheese in.
Yeah, cheese has to go on. Cheese. I think of this show, Wallace and Gromit, this crazy cartoon character, this clay character that loves cheese. You have to put the cheese on, right? And so, pieces of bread. They're cooking on this pan. So, right, the cheese is on. Pan's getting hot. You can't just leave it in there, right? What do we have to have handy? What do we have to be looking for?
Scalp would be circle, and you can lift it up.
Oh yeah. So maybe we have like a little spatula, right? And we can lift it up and see if it's ready. If it's not ready, then let it cook more. So we have if and then statements. We have conditional statements. But what might be really good if we were to program this? What might be a good Python?
While it's
A while, right? Yeah. While statement. While could really help us. Almost like while cooking, if not ready. Right? We could put that into there. So if we take a look at our Python example, while. So if we were to let's say we were to create a new document called it grilled cheese.py. Yep. And so we could say ingredients equals, what could we do for the ingredients that we just learned about?
we could put a lid.
Yeah. Cheese, bread,
But
salt, butter, oil, pan. Okay. And so we could say while cooking. So if we look at our hello world example, and while VPOS, right? And so we don't really have, this is what we would call pseudocode, or we don't have variables assigned to values just yet, but we could say while ingredients are cooking. And we would probably have to define cooking. We put these two things here, right? And so, what is cooking in this case? It's putting a pan on the oven, oil on pan or butter. So this is pseudocode. It's not going to run, but we're just planning this. Oil on pan or butter. Bread on pan. Once oil. So that's just it. That would be an if statement, right? If oil is, or if butter equals liquid, right? Then put bread on. Okay. And then we could say while ingredients are cooking, we could put an if statement under that while. If spatula check. Oops. If, let's say, if bread equals, and we would have to create a variable for bread. If the bread is not brown yet, then and you know we don't use then, right? If bread's not brown yet. Keep cooking. We could say else. Stop cooking.